Hello, I am Elaine Delbel. I am the president of the FALAN, Federation of Latin American Caribbean Neuroscience Society. And it's a great honor to be here. I would like to say thank you to Colm, that in the name of her president, Dr. Zulma, I was invited and it was possible for me to be here with you. I hope you enjoy the meeting. I would like to know if you know what is a federation, why we call it federation. Federation is a Latin word. Look, federation, fedus. What does it mean? It means alliance, it means union. Is it important for us? It's extremely important. And I'm gonna show you why I think it is so important to have a federation that congregates several neuroscience societies from Latin America, Caribbean, and Central America. Look here, in yellow, you see the countries that I have either a neuroscience society or a group of neuroscientists that belong to this federation, are part of this federation. It's incredible, no? But we have several ones in white that we need to congregate to our group. But look, so beautiful. Guyana and Honduras would like to be part of our federation. Isn't it really nice? Yes, it is. Why I think it is so important. Look, here we just see South America. Look, it's Colombia here. Calm. And this just show the number of articles published every year. It was an old document from 2010. But see how far away from each other we are. So FALAN has got a mission. What is the mission? Facilitate neuroscientists scientific interaction. And that is the reason we have a FALAN meeting, okay? And one of the most important things, promote education and training in neuroscience for you, all of you young people. And also, we have the mission to promote understanding of neuroscience. We need to show to general public and decision makers. So we need to share our passion for neuroscience. Last year, we didn't have our meeting because of the pandemic situation, but this year, between the 28th and the 3rd of September, we are organizing a virtual FALAN 2021 meeting. I hope to see CON members and many people more during this meeting. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here. Thank you.